service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station service in Wilmington, North Carolina's warning system. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL warning system.
WXL 50, WXJ 22.
To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches. And for the following service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches or warnings. For the following in North Carolina, and Williamsburg, Polk, this has been a test of the weather radio and public warning alarm South Carolina. For Marlboro, we now return you to the normal program schedule. This has been a test of the weather radio public warning alarm system.
And that's the end of theirs.
Now return you to the normal program schedule. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic. In tropical afternoon. Forecast for the Georgia and Carolina mountains, Clayton, Georgia, area mountains. Today. Signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted on every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide you the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and watches affecting the following transmitters. For the listening area of NOAA Weather Radio WXK90, playing on a frequency of 162.450 MHz, located on the Educational Television Tower at Sherman State Park in Chesterfield County. The counties are as follows. In South Carolina, Chesterfield, Darlington, Lee, and Marlboro. The counties in North Carolina are as follows: Anson, Richmond, and Scotland. This concludes this week's warning alarm test. This was only a test. We will now return you to your normal programming. Here's a look at the lake wind forecast for Lake Wateree.
Well, this is it.